Happy birthday po ma'am. Sana po ay maging masaya ka sa espesyal na araw mo po ngayon. At more birthdays to come.
Hi Ma'am Bernice, happy birthday po. More birthday to come and good health always.
Hello Ma'am Bernice, happy birthday po. More blessings to come and good health po.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Bernice. I wish that more birthdays to come and may your business succeed more. Thank you.
Happy birthday, good health, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday, Mom B. Enjoy your days and more birthdays to come.
Hello, Mom. Happy birthday. Wishing you a good health. Enjoy your day. Thank you for madali ka naming malapitan when it comes to mga needs namin. Happy birthday.
This day, it's your very special day. I wanna offer this day for you, for you, for you. This day, it's your very special day. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. This day, it's your very special day. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mom B! Stay strong po!
Happy birthday po, ma'am. Wish you all the best.
Hey, Ma'am Bernice, yan po. Sana po ay ma-enjoy niyo po yung araw niyo. And syempre, wish ko po na sana ay magkaroon pa po kayo ng more birthday to come syempre. And sana po ay mabigyan po kayo ni Lord ng malusog na pangangatawan at ilayo po sana kayo sa anumang kapamakan at karamdaman. Thank you po.
Happy birthday Ma'am, more blessings to come.
Happy birthday, ma'am. God bless you.
Happy birthday, madam. Sana magmakakawa ng birthday mo. Sana malasing mo kami. Thank you.
Hello, Madam Bernice. Happy birthday, and sana laging success ang mga plano mo, and then sana sunod-sunod ang blessing na dadating sa'yo.
Happy birthday to the most amazing, persevering, and generous boss, our Mommy B. Wishing you a day, a lifetime joy and success. Cheers to more birthdays to you.
Happy birthday, Mom Bernice, aka Mommy D. Today, we celebrate not only your special day, but also the wonderful person you are. You are more than just a leader. You are like just a second mother to us. Oh my God. Guiding with wisdom, inspiring with passion, and leading with a heart full of kindness and countless blessings. Again, happy birthday!
Hi, Mom Bernice! May your birthday blessed with all the courage and strength you require to continue performing and outstandingly as you do. May the Lord bless and guide you always. Happy birthday po!
Hi Ma'am Bernice, happy birthday. More birthdays to come, more blessings to come, and more events to come. Sana umaba pa ang mga buhay natin at magsama-sama tayo ng matagal. Thank you sa tiwala at happy birthday. Thank you po.
You just wanna be loved. I'm a pro, baby, watch and see. Let the party start, baby, pop it.
Hello, thank you for this Best Actor Award from ABS-CBN, GMA, and Charot La.
Happy birthday!
May your birthday blessed.
Go.
Happy birthday, Mom B. Enjoy your stay and
Huli na po.
Anong sasabihin ko?
Greetings mo.
Birthday mo. Birthday mo. Sana all prosper.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Ma'am Bernice. And thank you for everything po. And, okay, ingat po.
More business succeed. More succeed business to come.
Magkaroon po kayo ng healthy at mahabang
Happy birthday, ma'am.
blessing.
Let the party start.